Hello. The heat and humidity are set to rise for many of us over the next few days. And if you're desperate for some rain, well, there's not a great deal of that in the forecast. For many, it's dry, certainly through the rest of today. Just 1 or 2 showers here and there. Quite a lot of cloud around. But when the sun does come out with light winds, it feels quite warm. Now, we do have, as I say, a fair bit of cloud around and a few showers scattered across Wales, some for northern England, southern Scotland, but they are well scattered. Many places avoiding them, and those temperatures rising with the help of that sunshine. The highest temperatures there, the darker orange colours over the Midlands and eastern England, widely into the mid-20s here, a little bit cooler elsewhere, but still pleasant enough in the sunshine, which will last for many of us through the evening too. Still the odd shower over parts of southern Scotland especially, but they do tend to fade away, and then for most it's a dry night with largely clear skies. Temperatures probably not falling too far, will generally stay in towns and cities in double digits, if not in the teens in a few places. So the night's starting to get a bit warmer once more, the humidity just starting to rise, and that will continue through Thursday. Again, by and large, it's a fine day. Probably not as much cloud around as Wednesday, so we'll see longer spells of sunshine. Some cloud will bubble up through the day. Small chance of a shower in northeast Scotland, and in northwest Scotland we will see a change with cloud and outbreaks of rain pushing in across the Western Isles and parts of the Highlands. But for most, it's another fine summer's day, and it will be potentially a little bit warmer again. Temperatures again across the central and eastern parts in particular into maybe the mid-20s in 1 or 2 places. A bit cooler with the cloud and the rain as it pushes into the far northwest. Now that will continue through Thursday evening, getting down towards the Great Glen, perhaps clouding over in Glasgow and a bit more cloud pushing into Northern Ireland. But for most, again, Thursday evening is set fair. Dry and clear, and just look down to the far south, just here, the threat of some thundery showers pushing up from France towards the southeast. Now that threat increases as we go towards Friday. The heat and humidity continuing to rise over the next few days, and there is the risk of those thunderstorms on Friday. We do in fact have a weather warning in force for the potential for local downpours on Friday. For more on that, visit the Met Office website.